Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Godzilla Sonic mashup, I'll be showing you how to draw King Ghidorah in the Sonic the Hedgehog style. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Sonic King Ghidorah, let's begin with the middle head. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and then I'm going to bring this up and then kind of down with a curve. Then right here, I'm just going to go down and kind of bring this up and then over to here. Next, let's make a line that's going to come out, and then we're going to bring this down and then up for the nose and the mouth. Let's go ahead and curve this line down for the eye, and then let's make a line that's going to come down and then up here. Let's make a little skinny oval shape and leave a tiny bit white, and we'll do that same thing here. Make a skinny oval shape, color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white. We're going to make this line come down and up, and we're going to curve this back. Let's draw a little mark here and a little mark here for the nose. Let's draw this line down with a couple little points. And let's bring this line down and then up here. Curve this line up here for the mouth. Let's draw a line that's just going to curve around for the eyebrow and then do another one right here. We'll also do a little curved line for the tongue. Let's make 1, 2, and 3 points and then bring it to here. And then we can do that same thing over here, just 3 points and bring it down. We'll connect this to here. Then starting here, we're going to make 1, 2, and then 3 points. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come up and kind of down, and then we're going to bring this back for a horn. We'll do another one here, kind of bring this up and down, and then back for the horn. We're going to make this line curve down and back, and then another one here. Now let's go ahead and make another head over here. Now for this head, let's go ahead and we're going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down, and we're going to curve this back here. Then we're just going to go down and curve it around for the shape of the eye. Right here, we're going to bring this line out and then down here. Then we're going to make some sharp little points here, and we're going to bring this back. Next, we're going to bring this line down, and we're going to come over, and we're going to come up with a couple little points like this, and just bring it back here. Put a little dot for the nose. And we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. Right here, I'm going to make a little oval shape for the eye. I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white. Next, we're going to make a couple little points here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go up, down, and then over to here. Then we'll kind of bring this back. Put another little curve here. Now for that last head, we're going to draw that right over here. So for this one, we're going to kind of go with that Kevin look. So I'm going to begin by making a nice line that's going to curve up and then down, and then we're just going to connect it like this. I'm going to bring this line over and down. Then we're going to go up and down, and then we're going to go up here. Then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve up and then down for the other eye. We'll curve a line here, and then we're also going to curve a line that's going to go up and down here. Then we'll do 2 little dots for the nose. We're going to make a line here for the mouth, and we're going to curve this line out for the tongue. And we'll make a little line down there. Next, we're going to bring this back and then up here. We're going to bring this up, and then we're going to make some kind of more rounded points on here, and we're going to bring this down. We'll make a skinny little oval, and we'll color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white. And we'll do that same thing over here. Next, make a couple little kind of points for the head. Then we'll bring this line up and back here, bring it to a point, and then down. Kind of same thing here, bring it up and back to a point, and then down. We're going to make a point come here, and then another point come here, and then down. Now, let's go ahead and make the necks and the body for these guys. So we're going to give them a little bit of a longer neck, nothing too crazy. So let's just go ahead and kind of curve this line down. And then I'm just going to curve this line up to here. We're going to curve this line over, and then we'll bring this one down. We'll curve a line to here, and then we'll just do that same thing, kind of curve here. And we'll bring this all the way over to connect. Now for the chest, let's go ahead and make a couple little points here. We're going to make a big point here, and then we're going to make a few more points here. Let's bring this line down and then up. Let's go ahead and make a few V shapes on here just to give it a little bit of texture. Next, starting here for one of the legs, let's bring this line around, and we're going to curve this up. Then we're going to bring this line here and kind of curve this over and then back to here. We'll do a little curve on here, and then we're going to bring this line back up to here. Let's do a curve around here for like the top of the shoe. And then we'll do a curve here and then another one here. We're going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to bring this over, up, and then connect to here. We're going to bring this down, over, and then up here, make it look like there's kind of a point on there. We're going to bring this one down with a curve and then up. We'll bring this over and up here. We're going to make a curve here and a curve here, and then just a curve right there. Now for the wings, I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to bring this up. We're going to put a little claw at the end, and then I'm going to curve this out and then down here. I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to come down and then back up here. I'll make 1, 2, and then bring it over here for points. This one we're going to go up, put a claw on there, bring it out, and then down here, and then I'm going to bring this up, down and over. Curve up and down, and then right to here. We're going to add a couple little lines in here. We're going to put a curve here on the claws. Now, right down the back of the necks, let's go ahead and make some spikes. So we're just going to do this right down the back of the necks, and these are going to have to be a little bit smaller to kind of fit in. Then for that double tail, let's bring a line out here. We're going to bring it to a little point, and then we're just going to bring this back. We'll make another little bump here, and we'll just kind of wind this tail around here, and then bring it back. Let's go ahead and put 1, 2, and then 3 spikes. We'll do that same thing. 1, 2, and then 3 spikes. Then we're going to put some spikes going down the back, and then we'll put some spikes going down the tail as well. Kind of fit them in the best you can on here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Sonic King Ghidorah. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.